Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And basically, we all know that Microsoft is pushing new features, is pushing around some improvements. They have mentioned a lot of things about, especially the last update, improvements with Wi Fi and improvements with Bluetooth connectivity. If your PC is based on Intel devices, and you can go and check it out in the device manager. You could see if you have, for example, for Bluetooth, you have a Intel device or not. So you can go and check it out here. So here, if I look at so here it is, Intel wireless Bluetooth. My computer here has Intel wireless. As for Wi-Fi drivers, so if you look at network adapters and look at Intel Wi-Fi 6 here, so it's an Intel driver. Also, this tells me that I could, maybe update my devices. If you have issues, if you found that connectivity is not as good as it should be, maybe your Wi-Fi drops out a lot, maybe your Bluetooth connectivity is difficult. Intel has released a set of new drivers, and it actually is kind of in compliance with Microsoft's own improvements to try to make the Windows operating system better with connectivity on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So I will share the links if you have issues, if you have problems. I will share the links to both the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers that you can download from this page. They are strictly improving mostly Windows 11, but they are also drivers for Windows 10 in here. But the biggest improvements and fixes are for Windows 11 on these drivers. So both links are there. If you have no issues, if everything's fine, you really don't have to install any new drivers. You can just leave it alone. Often that's what I do, leave it alone when things are okay. In my case, I don't have any issues with the Bluetooth. I'm not connected through Wi-Fi, so it's not really important. But so I probably will not install them. But if you got issues, connectivity issues, both on Bluetooth or on Wi-Fi, might be worth downloading and installing these new drivers from Intel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.